Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of resetting your feed in TikTok. If you're looking to refresh your TikTok content and discover new videos, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok on your device and make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Step 2. Tap on Profile from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to access the menu options. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will open the Settings and Privacy page. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy options, look for and tap on Refresh Your Feed. This option will allow you to reset your TikTok feed. Step 6. Tap on Continue to proceed with the feed reset process. Step 7. Next, you'll be asked to provide a reason for resetting your feed. Check the reason that best matches your intention and tap on Submit. By following these simple steps, you can reset your TikTok feed and enjoy a fresh selection of content tailored to your updated preferences. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring a renewed TikTok experience.